you should be outraged too. There isn't enough blame being assigned of people being held responsible for their actions or the aftermath. Now, I'm all for unity, sisterhood, mutual respect, but I'm sick and tired of rebuilding the men that you've broken. Put his heart in a locket or around your neck like a token of yet another conquest. Rolling through men like a Jeep in four-wheel drive, saying this next one will be the best one yet. The best what? You don't even know what you're looking for. You keep meeting your future victims on a club, sweaty dance floor, and this poor guy, he doesn't even know what he's in for. Here he is thinking he's got a good woman by his side, and she spends all day manipulating him, destroying his pride, and then when she's had her fill of him, sucked him bone dry, what's left is a mere shell of him. And then she leaves. Scurries back under her rock, swings herself back up into her tree, and who's left to pick up the pieces, ladies? You, and you, and you, and me. So today, I cry foul, lift my voice and announce that you are no sister to me, and I am indignant, righteously. Because real women are queens. We don't spend all day destroying our kings, but rather build them up. Encourage them to press on when the going gets tough. We know how to hold down the castle when the kingdom is under siege. Take hold of his hand and help him stand back up when he's been driven to his knees. And anyone not doing so, I'm sorry, but I cannot condone the things you say, these mind games you play, the way you clouded his judgment like thunderstorms on a one sunny day, because he should never have to worry that his children will be collateral damage, that past indiscretion will not be rehashed every single day. He needs to know that when dealing with a real woman, public scenes and constant drama is not how we get our way. I said, I am outraged, righteously indignant, ready to protest and wage war on these trifling-ass women whose numbers are growing more and more malignant like a tumor. So ladies, I say that we take our men back. Stop allowing these selfish and vindictive women to run reckless and to help them pack all of their belongings and go, because a real man will never know that you're here if your face you never show. Allow him to be a gentleman.
Come on.
Listen without always having something to say back. Stop stressing about the car that he owns or the house that he owns, because you know what? You can help him get all of that. Don't spend all day pointing out the areas where he lacks strength. Because every day our good men are being lost to us because they do not know that we're here. So ladies, stand up and fight. Fight for your future love, for your future husband, for the future love of your sister, the future love of your best friend. Stand up and fight and help me bring this epidemic to an end. Because everywhere I go, I want these no good, meddling, fake, manipulative, gold-digging, baby mama drama women to stop and take note. I want them bitches to be real jealous. I want them to swallow that shit and choke on what it is that they see. A real woman